Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Genius Garden Tarot. This is a 78 card tarot deck by Jessi Huntenburg that invokes your genius and channels it in toward the cultivation of an authentic, creative life. Each of us holds the power to sow and nurture the seeds of our truest becoming, and the Genius Garden Tarot is a tool we can use to awaken that power and infuse it into everything we do. Thank you so much, Jessi, for sending this deck our way. I am so excited. It's wrapped beautifully. I cannot wait to unwrap it. So this is inspired by the Rider-Waite-Smith Tarot, but are interpreted many different ways that highlight the strength and resiliency of the human spirit. All right. I can't wait. It can be used just like any other 78 card tarot deck. Awesome. So it's printed on 350 GSM cardstock with a UV matte finish and gold gilded edging. Oh, so a 100-page guidebook. This retails for $46 in the US, and I'll link in the description box where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Thank you so much, Jessi, for sending this our way. Oh, I'm so excited. It's a nice packaging too. Truth awaits the brave. Oh, look at that. Very cool. Look at the edges. Oh, okay. So let's just take a peek at the guidebook real fast. Ooh, we have a huge table of contents here. Couple of spreads. Lots of info behind the scenes of this deck. Information about tarot. Okay, a genius garden is the place each being creates in service to their most generative, authentic expression. Its reach extends from our deep inner landscape to our immediate outer landscape, and it is as much what we generate within ourselves as it is what we manifest outside ourselves. When we're in perfect concert with our genius, our garden is lush, abundant, and sustaining. When we're fully estranged from our genius, our garden is dry, barren, and fruitless. All right. I drew, painted, and outlined each card of the Genius Tarot in a humble incubator in my attic studio. This is awesome. Okay. It's a perfect tool for you to use if you can't create freely. You're not making work that reflects the essence of who you are. You won't let yourself think what you think. You won't let yourself think what you think, feel, or what you feel, and believe what you believe. You feel paralyzed by doubt and uncertainty, and you're stuck in the torturous limbo of should've, would've, could've. Oh my gosh, awesome. Then we have an invocation ritual, and we have spreads. So grow your garden spread, Genius reunion spread, Genius journey spread, and Creatrix fire spread. And then it goes into each of the card meanings. Okay. So excited. This is beautiful so far. Look at that back. It has like a slight, nope, that's me. It's matte. It is definitely matte. Okay, love those edges. And here we go. Love that. Oh. The cardstock feels awesome. I really like it. Aw. There's something about this art style that's very nostalgic. Oh, hopefully that will be picked up in the film, but there's a couple in the center there. There we go. Oh, that's cool. Ooh. Oh, that's really cool. I like that. Ooh. Oh, it's a hand down there. Oh. I like the take of this deck. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh. Interesting. All right. There's the major. Love that. Okay, interesting. I do think beginners can utilize this. I'm excited to get to know the guidebook a little bit more. It might be a little hard for some, but everything's there that I feel like should be there for the intuitive hits. Definitely a different art style. I feel like I'm going through like the artist gallery here. It's quite an interesting experience because honestly it feels more, it feels like a whole experience. I don't know how to put this into words of what I'm feeling, but it's like when you go into a gallery and you're experiencing somebody's just raw emotion and art on display, and you're kind of just like being taken through it, and it kind of overtakes you. There's something so intense but raw about this artwork. It's different, it's unique, but it does make me feel emotions. It makes me feel what I should be feeling. I love the different bodies. I love the different skin colors. I love the different representation. The best thing that's coming to mind is it's perfectly imperfect. Like, it feels one of a kind. It feels like something you're not going to find anywhere else. All right, we're at the last suit. Oof. Oh, I love that. Just the progression. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Yeah. Oh, that was satisfying. All right, one more for good measure. It is a great size. It feels really good in the hand. I didn't have an issue with the gilded edges sticking to each other. But if you do, it's just the manufacturing process. Oh, we're going to read for the lovers. Just go slowly whenever you have a gilded edge deck when you're flipping through, just in case they like to stick together. All right, so we are going to read for the lovers. We have some keywords up top: union, desire, and intimacy. Two kindreds meet in a solitary grove under the light of the full moon. They're cloaked in the veil of night, invisible to anyone else but each other. They reach out beyond personas, roles, and preconceived notions to discover authentic union. Their souls mingle and merge as they open themselves to each other. They can't explain their attraction, and they don't have to. The universal love force understands. The time has come for you to release your attachment to ego identity so you can unify with another in a transcendent way. This card usually refers to an intimate partnered relationship, but it can also reference kindred. But it can also reference kindreds and platonic soulmates. Lean into the bond you share and let the joy and comfort it brings assuage any fears of insecurity, you might have. If you struggle with vulnerability and intimacy, now might be a perfect time to do the healing necessary to prepare you for a deep, loving partnership to enter your life. Oh, we have a journaling prompt. What do you need to heal to make a union like this possible for you? What steps might you take to begin that healing process? All right, and I just want to see, okay. So, for instance, Seven of Wands here, staff strike out at a protagonist from all directions. Although a blow or two tests her balance, she bravely holds her ground. This card indicates that although you're beset on all sides by unexpected complications, you're more than capable of working through them. Stand up and face whatever forces threaten to throw you off course. Believe that you have the strength, ability, and brilliance to overcome come what may. Sometimes winning is simply refusing to back down. Okay, so there's still really good info through the minor arcana. I just wanted to see, you know, if it was similar to the major, and it is. You just don't have like keywords or a journal prompt, and that's okay. I think this is beautiful. It's definitely different. I think that this is something that if you are intrigued by the art style, want something a little bit more down to earth, this definitely might be for you. It feels a little bit more gentler than, you know, the original Rider-Waite. It definitely seems a little bit more accessible. I love the diversity in here. I love just the rawness of it. And like I said, it is perfectly imperfect. And I love that. I feel like this is something that you won't find anywhere else. And it shuffles great. The cardstock is phenomenal. It's just really well done. It's definitely something that is different from anything else that I have reviewed on this channel. And I love that. I love continually being surprised and pleasantly at that. So thank you so much to Jessi for sending this our way. Like I said, go check all of her stuff out down below in the description box. That way you can see everything if you are interested. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. Let me know all of your thoughts about this deck down in the comment section, and go ahead and leave, let's just say a little, the plant sprout in the comments to let me know that you made it this far. And again, thank you so much. I love you and I like you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.